Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to connect AirPlay to your Android TV in 2026, step by step. This guide will let you mirror your iPhone, iPad, or Mac screen to your Android TV for streaming videos, photos, and apps on the big screen. Step 1. Turn on your Android TV. Make sure your Android TV is powered on and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Apple device. Press the Home button on your remote to access the main menu. Step 2. Install an AirPlay-compatible app. Since Android TVs don't natively support AirPlay, you'll need an app. Open Google Play Store, search for AirScreen or similar AirPlay-compatible app, and select the official app from the results. Step 3. Download and install the app. Click Install to download the app to your Android TV. Once installed, open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to enable AirPlay. Step 4. Enable AirPlay on your device. On your iPhone, iPad, or Mac, swipe down to open the Control Center or click the AirPlay icon on Mac. Select Screen Mirroring and look for your Android TV listed as an available device. Step 5. Connect to your TV. Tap on your Android TV name. If prompted, enter the code displayed on your TV screen to pair your devices. Your device's screen should now appear on your Android TV. Step 6. Start streaming. You can now mirror videos, photos, apps, or even presentations from your Apple device directly to your Android TV. Use your device to control playback and volume. And that's it! AirPlay is now connected to your Android TV, making it easy to share content from your Apple devices. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our step-by-step tutorials.